That's the swamp right to the left. You're not hiding this.
Oh my god, I killed the grandson. That was me.
What's up?
The down tree is right that way. We'll go over the down tree. Alright. But there used to be a path out this way, but I think it's over.
Roger.
Yeah, we'll go to the down tree.
So Nick.
What's long?
Gee. Yeah. No wait, Nick S.
What?
How do you think this war is gonna end?
We're all gonna die.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
That's the best answer.
Yeah, a little glass. Fine. So Nick G. How come you're a Russian? Oh. Alright.
You just spread the philosophy of Karl Marx.
US Air Force, nigga.
What? Got a problem with the Air Force?
Kinda. How come the Air Force is working with the Army?
We got the Russians.
Russian.
We got the dude over there. We got the Air Force. Okay,
He's German apparently.
I'm apparently Marine with my digital.
Shut up.
I don't even
no
know.
one likes you, Marine.
Yeah.
Bunch of douchebags.
Until we save your lives.
It's like they're just laying in the mud.
Yeah.
Dude, we just had the mud bath.
Some guy laying in the desert. Maybe it's some guy in a swimming pool relaxing.
On the
And an airsoft is some guy in like some
Air Force.
party with all these girls.
Yeah, Air Force.
So, Marine versus Air Force.
Alright, that about wraps up our tour of the battlefield.
No, it didn't. It didn't wrap it up.
Yeah,
We
it
ain't done
did.
yet.
Well, the tour.
You know what? We ain't poor. We sexy beast.
What? Alright. This is Bonita Airsoft. This is the jungle field, aka Vietnam.
Vietnam!
Yep.
Just south of Saigon.
A little in Laos, you know, top secret stuff, but who cares?
Actually, we have no idea where the hell we are. Until it's fucked up.
Oh, yep.
Good boys. Everybody is non-blue, okay? So you're looking at the enemy. Alright, watch out.
Alright, this is the base. If you don't have a fort here, sucks.
Here you go, man. Nice rifle, man.
What do you think of your new gun?
Alright, well, you guys coming out, we're on the same team. Alright. Got ammo and everything?
Dude, we love that gun, man. Yeah, we try, yeah.
Here comes Wookie.
Hey, I need to take a picture of that.
It's alright, I got it covered. Lol. Sasha. Nick the Russian.
Yes. Come on. Who's got radio?
Nope. Do you have your radio?
You got radio? I'll wait until we get back there to go on station so they don't. Okay. You just drop on. Anybody else got a radio?
I did, but it's only a
I just felt like this.
business radio, so it's only for 2 people, so I didn't even bring it. What do they want? About $30 for one?
I got a pair of these things for freaking like $25.
With the earpiece too?
No.
Oh.
Hey, Lucky, we gonna be back in the field first?
No, actually, I don't think they did.
Hey, Darren, are we gonna be back in the field first?
It's force on force. I'm gonna have one team start at the junkyard, and since you know where the oak tree is, you start the oak tree team. I'll hand you a radio. The reason why is you and I need to stay in radio communication at all times. Okay? Where we've been playing all those games, we have to tag the oak tree. Correct.
The drill, we break, we train. Can you grab a map?
2-0. It's always 2-0.
So we're the non-blue team?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
You guys are all on my team. Nope. Not yet.
Where do I tighten this strap down here?
Which team is starting off the